In this video, I show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. Open your favorite browser, any browser you want. On the search bar, type here python.org. Hit enter. Click on download button. Here we have Python for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS or others. We want to download Python for Windows. Click here. The latest Python is 3.12.4. Click here. Scroll down. We want to download Python for Windows. Here is Windows installation 64-bit. It is recommended. Click here. If you want to download 32, click here, but we want to download 64 bits. This software is around 25 megabits. Close your browser, open File Explorer, click on download. Here is Python 3.12.4. Double click here. Here make sure to click here, add Python exe to path, then click on install now. It is complete. Setup was successful. Click on close. On Windows search bar, type here cmd. Hit enter. Type here python --version. Hit enter. You will see the version of Python here, or if you type here just Python, the Python will open for you. For example, if I type here print inside double quotation hi Python, hit enter. Here is hi Python. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day.